Oh look, I'm trespassing. Nope. Okay, let's get out of here. Never happened. Right. Let's, as the one memer once said, let's just jump right into it. Oh, I need to turn that on. I'll turn desktop audio in a second. First, on the agenda, we will be doing, if you haven't noticed, we will be going through the sneak peek trains that are on this SCR sneak peeks. And the first one was the 380. So we're going to go from Central to Hello Train to this place. Prepare to be sent to the Shadow Realm. Please, no Shadow Realm. I don't want Shadow Realm. Alright, let's drive. Step the depot. And we do a funny a game. Okay. Oh. Hey, we made it. Oh, fudge, the game hasn't even loaded. I've been sat here for 5 minutes and the game's been like, I'm not going to load. There we go. Oh. This is a fun train to make. One of the early NGV2 ones as well. But yes, how is everyone doing today? On this very fine Saturday. We have already got a red signal, so let's follow it. There's lots of action going on. There's a civility. Oh, Pride. Hello. Hello, Official Fire. Welcome. And a noob train just overtook us. That's lovely. Oh, I love it. It's bad risk. Kater, don't don't jinx it, mate. We just started. And oh, professional. I don't know. Give us on my sounds. Well, Transport Fever 2 is probably where you're best at. But yes, Saturday. Love Saturdays. I'm very looking forward to the new messy trains. They are very cool. From the pictures I've seen, they are pretty nice. I'm only 10 points away from AWS right now. 10 points? Oh, points. Wait, what do you mean points away? Also, HST! Hello, mate! Also, I am in a public server, so if you want to join and try and find me, good luck. Amazing. Look. Don't really follow this video. Mate, look. I am an ex-head of driver operations, alright? I need to be professional at a very most many costs. He says that he's about to spad. And I didn't spad. Look at that. I got a double. 387. Nice. 45 limit. There we go. Ladies and gentlemen, we're now approaching Stepford Central. Change here for many services. But stay on if you want to go to Berkeley. Oh, I'm not doing the meme, by the way. We're not going to talk about the whole Berkeley meme. Because it's just... I don't want to go there. You have 2 DWR plus GAX. Variety. Voyager! Hello, mate. Oh, we have people. Oh, we have a Foxman and a Not Gary! A very frequent stalker to the streams. Hello, Not Gary. Welcome back. You better not do the same as Thingy. Trying to simulate logic. Exactly. Oh, we are a 3 car. Hello. Oh no, you better scour your meanie. How's the stream performing for you guys, by the way? On my end, it looks to be fine. I hope it's fine. Oh, he's only getting closer. Wants some tones. That's quite a menacing name, but I will give you some tones once we head out. Oh, there is a fox in the vestibule. Oh, there we go. There we go. Take a seat. Please keep your... Oh no, there's also a goo guy. Anyway, please keep your legs and arms and body parts inside the train at all times. He's even got a little Roomba with him. Look at that. He's going to do some train cleaning. Can't find the... It is on there. I have. Oh no, not the NHS one. Oh no, no, the NHS one is on there. I'm going to obstruct the doors, and there's nothing you can do about it. No, don't obstruct the doorways. That's unsafe. That's not very nice. Why are we leaving yet? Where are we going? Those places. Come on, there we go. Let's go. Oh, not Gary. Oh, great. No, he's doing this again. Oh no, not again. Let's see how long he lasts. And now it's... Ah yes, I've seen that reskin. Very nice. Oh, is it a signaler? There is. Thank you, Rio. Riot is the best. Thank you, signaler. Thank you. You're so kind. It's not unsafe if nobody leaves. Oh, it's a little bit menacing. Why that time do it so on time from? Tight. Love it. 100. Whee! Maximum speed. There we go. Zoomy zoom. Bing. Yeah. How are people finding the sneak peeks? I am liking the new meshy boys. They are very cool. Especially the 707. That looks very nice. And we've got a red signal. That's in the platform, isn't it? I think so. 357 going over. Hello. We are now approaching Stepford East, or London Bridge, if you will. Cafe. Hello, adventurer Will. My guy, how art thou? Oh, French kisses. Look at that. You have the root knowledge that you should know where the Oh, thanks, Lolaface. Appreciate it. Also, I just realised I need to do the tones for the getting closer guy, so I will do the tones for you. Welcome, Ambulance Cast. Welcome, Ella. If I said your name correctly, I'm very bad at names, but welcome nonetheless. Right, can I get a dispatcher, please? I've got to do some tones for this one person that suggested them. Oh, fudge! Get hurry! It was quite hard to... Ah, okay. Understandable. Right, let's get these tones. Here we go. I'll do another one because I'm feeling nice. Hey. Oh no, I've been beeped. Why are you beeping me? I got 10 minutes to depart on my weird. Enjoy those 10 minutes of watching this then. You got all the time. Yo, what? Double 387? Huh? Also, 357. Ooh, hello. Fudge! Oh, that gave that made my heart skip a beat for a second. Like, oh no, that's a bit. Oh dear. Well, this is amazing. They should be Airlink 379s. Mate, but in real life, Gatwick Express is 387s. Also, St. Helens Bridge. That's a 45. Fudge! We're also moving my mic a bit. There we go. Very nice. Ambulance with cheese. British? Exactly.
This train is formed of 3 coaches.
Perfect. Ambulance of cheese is the translation. I hear a lot of jumping around. Gary, you didn't hear the announcement, clearly. For the mesh... Yeah, the mesh civilities are going to be really cool. Also, I been denied of them because my liver collection is ruined. Ah, right. Yeah, I uninstalled all the modded reskins I did for Trains and World 2, so I guess that thing's a thing now. Was this dispatch just stalking us? Well, you know what? I don't mind. Bit of dispatcher action. A minor bit of signalling. Only a wee bit. Just a tad. We do a little bit of trolling. Also, sippy drink time. Oh yeah, that is some good juice. Yummy yum. A minuscule amount of tomfoolery. Yes. Only a spoonful. Alright, New Harrow next station, and we're already late. Love it. Be arriving at New Harrow. Oh, we've got a whistle board. There we go. There, a dispatcher again. Or is that a guard? Oh, is it the same dispatcher guy? These signals need to be moved back. FYI, crash. I bet you won't download my GX150. Mate, no curse stuff on my train sim world save. I'm a very pure, non-cursey worsey. That's the thing now. Cursey worse. Oh fudge! Thanks, Artie. Thank you. Not going. No. Oh well, we've killed him. Well, that's number 1 to the death count. Just go 100 down that line out of a pond. Let's go, Speedy. Well, we can't at 75, but 100 would be cool. Funny Matty server link. Huh? Matty server link? What? Huh? Bom bom. Did I see someone on the tracks? 2 Oh no, it's Pingu. Oh no. Now there is going to be a little bit of tomfoolery. You'd love to see it. That's why the individual is there. You will be removed from driver staff at the end of your shift tonight. What? No. But I want to drive the new mesh trains that aren't out yet. That's not fair. It's cursed, but have you seen the MS? No, the MS66 is an exception. Alright, because I made it. Got him. Oh, the link doesn't show. What link? It's like the Discord link for MS. What link are you trying to post?
Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Berry. We will shortly be arriving at.
Okay, that's very helpful. Yes, I too have hashtags. Oh, I see. That's interesting. Yo, Rosemary Junction. We have a snapspatcher. And bop. Beep, beep, beep. There he is. 380089. Love to see it. Pingu. I expect to see another video of this. Yes, I've noticed you've been recording my streams a lot. I like it. Keep it up. I enjoy those videos. They make me chuckle. They make me go ha ha. We're going to Mayton. Oh, I hope not. Also, what do you think of the new Steam route? I'm not really fussed about the Steam route at the moment, I'll be honest. Like, sure, it's pretty cool Steam engines, but I don't think I'll get it. I don't know. I am looking forward to the AP 700, 707, 717 EP though. No, that I'm definitely getting. Speed, Matty. I'm not speeding! Alright, because we have a yellow signal and we're approaching Beverly. Alright. Careful driving. Here we go. Morganstown. Here we are. That didn't take so long. We're here already. Look at that. I feel the need. The need for speed. Not in this game, you know. Well, at the moment, anyway. And butter. Yummy. This is Poggers. You're right, Artie. Barely is not Pog. Oh, I said I wouldn't mention the meme, but I did anyway. Oh, is it your local route? Well, that's fair enough then. Guess that makes sense that you'd get it. Right, exit to menu. Let's mute that just in case. I never good. I never speed it either. I'm very proud of you. Right, I believe the next sneak peek was, I think it was the 185. I don't actually know. I've only been on one twice, but it looked like a 185 interior. We're gonna do the 6 car, Leighton to airport. There we go. And we'll go this way. Actually, no, we're gonna do the other way. Actually, I should my mind. I might still be a little drunk though. Mate, I might be drinking tonight. We'll see how I feel. Glad I'm not the only alcoholic here. Matty drunk stream when? Good question. No. Here we go. Traction. I do like the idle sounds on this. They're very bassy. A lot of bass. I like it. Matty drunk stream. I won't be able to drink a lot though, unless I'm supervised, because it's TOS and whatever. But we'll see. 10 new subs and I'll do a drunk stream. I won't. Don't. don't count me on it. Signaling the new Leighton area is painful. Basically, you have to put everything on red. Oh, yeah. I don't really signal that much. Popcorn at the ready. Let's go. And I believe it's 45. Well, we can't have this. It's quite common to drink a lot. Ah, right, fair enough. Mate, if there's any excuse to drink, I'll drink. Yo, is that a 357? Oh, he's going into platform 3. Huh. And we're just sneaking along. I'm a snake. Because of its speed. Hello, trade. Oh, we have a Not Gary, and a Snap, and a Pingu, and an RT. And... Oh, is it... Oh yeah, I forgot, because it's got a platform 0. Look, Jeff hasn't done all the platform 0s on SCR, so I wouldn't know, alright? I'm waiting for that video to come up. I'm not a melon, I'm Matty. I'm so funny. Oh, it's Stepford Victoria. Oh yeah, because that's the default route, isn't it? Right. Matty the Melon. Matty Melon X 2013. There we go. Where's first class? It's in the middle, isn't it? Yeah. Are you cheating again, Not Gary? SMH. Bye, 357. It's one captures up 7. Do why? Beep 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 beep. Right, let's go. Not Gary. Oh no. Well, we'll stay in here. Have another sip of my drink. Yummy. Leighton Stepford Road. No, he's a melon. Look at his character. What? What are you chatting about my character? My Sona? My SCR Sona. Oh no. No. And come on, get to 90. There we go. Why so slow leaving? Because, look, I'm reading the chat and driving at the same time. It is a lot harder than it looks. I used to advertise an accurate description of him IRL. He really is a catboy. I am. If you ever want to notice me in public, If you ever want to notice me in public, I will have cat ears. That wasn't a spad, it was the AWS bug. It wasn't as bad. It wasn't as bad. It wasn't as bad. It was an AW. I was still the signal. No. It no. It wasn't as bad. No. It was the AWS bug. I promise. Get somebody clip that. All right, clip fudge. The perfect timing, Kason. Thank you. Oh no, I don't believe it. I'm gonna watch back and see if that was a spad or not. At the end of the stream. Oh, hi, Snap. I highly doubt it was a spad. Because I heard the AWS and it stopped. It has to be the AWS bug. If you ain't careful, I'll trigger signal. You better not. And you skipped the station. No, I didn't skip. What do you mean I didn't? What do you mean I skipped a Oh, cause yeah, very funny. Okay, I'm going fast. Okay, 100 is the max we can do. SMH, I'm being bullied by my own chat. What did I do to deserve this? Oh, I know, I stopped developing. There you go, that's what I did. I stopped developing SCR, now everyone's turning against me. Type Gator 2, nah mate. We're doing the sneak peek trains today. I am slow, that's a bit mean. Also, Upper Staple, the old one. So yeah, so what happened with that spad thing, or whatever? Whatever happened, I feel like I'm gonna sneeze. There's a sneeze coming, I can feel it. Nah, it's gone. Okay. I hate that when you want to sneeze, but it just doesn't exist anymore. Ooh, woo, woo, woo. Yes, I agree. That's my favourite train sound. I feel like I'm gonna sneeze again. This isn't good. Oh, we see someone. Hello. Did he try and jump my train? Was it 75? Oh, I feel like I'm gonna sneeze. How do you stop wanting to sneeze? Because I feel like I've been wanting to sneeze for the past minute. Oh, that's not nice. Oh no, what are you trying to say? What do you mean the fun begins? Oh, you got in? Nice. Right, 60. Right. I am terminating at LSR, so don't worry. Oh, do you mean I'm slow again? Because it's a 60 limit. What? Of course I'm slow again. I'm a professional driver. Oh my goodness. What? No. I am so bad at something I'm not doing that it's giving... It's not... That wasn't as... It wasn't... Okay, you know what? Okay, forget it. You guys aren't being mean to me. It's the game. SCR itself has turned against me. What is a skill issue? Oh my goodness, this is so not fair. This is... Was that person was floating? They still are. Oh, there's not going in my cab. What on earth is happening today? That's not the second time this has happened? Right, 30. Gary, I can't see. Gary, you're obstructing my window. Oh, I took. Well, okay, it's not my fault. The game stopped me. SMH. If it was someone using a command. I don't think there isn't a command for that, Will. I highly doubt, because it's embedded in, like, the games. I think it's just, like, a lag issue where the game's like, AWS, I think you've done this for, like, more than whatever seconds. But we'll see. Anyway, we're here now. I gave you priority and you failed. Look, I'm very good at this game. Are you in a VIP? I'm not. I am in a public server. As you can tell. Pingu! Look, is this my punishment for not spadding, but for the game being mean to me? I see. You clipped it. Okay, good, good, good. You're gonna live edit. I'm gonna publish this to YouTube anyway, so... I've just realised the sound was off the whole time. Oh my goodness, no wonder you couldn't hear... Oh my goodness, I'm such an idiot. No, why did no one tell me the sound was off? Because I turned it off when I got to the menu. No, how come no... Look at Discord in a bit. Also, right, 707. Right, for sure. We'll go through here. No, why did no one tell me that the game was muted? There we go. Well, you did? When did you say that? Did you say the sound was off? Oh, you liked the muted variant more. Well, I didn't. Right, the sound's on now. You should be able to hear it. Hold on. It's not off because I can see the bars. Is it off? Is it still off? Good, it's now on. Good. Because the chance something will go wrong with bigger. Oh, I see. Oh, okay. I didn't even spad, by the way. That wasn't a spad. It was the game. Uh-oh, we have, Okay, well... I have just killed many people. Also, yeah, 707 was the recent sneak peek. What a lovely upgrade it will be. Mate, look, killer, trains don't stop. Guys and girls is to make it, guys and girls goal is to make him bad. That's not nice. Okay, here we go, sure, why not? Matty, stop doing... I'm not trying to, alright? First, I've like... Well, sorry. First, the game has spadded me. Or AWS'd me. And now, I'm just running over people, left, right, and centre. This is... What on earth is this stream? Also, I have some jumpy boys in my train. Buzz, buzz. No.
Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Stepford Central.
Just take a sip of my drink.
We will be calling at Woodhead Red, Stepford UFC, Whitefield,
Very nice.
High Street, Stepford East,
70,
Stepford Central,
80, and Woodhead Lane. It is a good speed, but now we're slowing down again.
Woodhead Red.
You know the gap. Due to a short platform, the doors on coach 5. The doors on the rear coach.
The doors in the rear coach
Artie, I saw that.
this station. Please move forward to leave the train.
And then, up. Help, I'm being chased by 3 sub. Good. Good. Yes. Cope. What do you mean cope? Oh, yeah. Deal with it. Cry about it.
Central. The next station is Stepford UFC.
Oh, wait! No, wait, that's just me being weird. I scrolled down too fast. I thought I sort of missed a notification, but no, that was just me being a dummy. Ignore me. You shall not pass. Oh, great, we're gonna have dominoes ready. Okay. I'm so sorry. Like, you know what? I can't look. I can't. I'm just gonna look away. Oh, wow, look at this lovely ceiling. It's so detailed. Wow. Wow. Oh, look, I should probably pay attention to the front of the train. So I know where I'm going.
Stepford UFC.
There you go. No, I see you back there. You missed the train! See you later! Oh no, wait, beautiful cab. You love it. Wow, this bit of track's nice. I wonder who made it. Wow. Not falling for that again. We do have a oh, Mezzy, lovely. $170. One of the best tractions. 45. I'm a fox. I understand the dangers of the railways. Understandable. Oh my goodness! This is the third. Oh my goodness. It's not as bad. It's not, I'm not bad. I can't wait, and I cannot wait to finish this server because I'm going on Train Sim World after this. It's not me that's bad, it's the game. Oh no. Artie, don't SMH at me. Stop SMHing. What are we doing? You guys are so mean. This is not nice. Oh, okay, the fox is a signal. Oh, we just got wedded. Hello. Thanks for that. Copenhagen Productions. Look at that. Speedy name. I'm now getting PTSD from AWS alerts now, because it keeps making me think that I've spadded again. Or not spadded, but like, AWS bugged. He has evolved into Signal. We cannot allow cats on the railway. Don't let any animals on the railway. It's very dangerous for the animals. Whitefield Lido. Me trolling my signals like SMH. Miz, you better be a good signaler now. That's a yellow. And that's a red. Yo, is this Abbey Road? Wait, is that the bit where it goes under thingy? On Elizabeth line? That's an incline. Wow. ASMR Matty, let's go. Custom house, that's the one. Hi Pingu, bye Pingu. We have an 80 limit? No, yeah mate. Full speed 80. Kaiten! Oh, he just... That was very scary. Meep, meep. Mate, if NCR can get the 707 doors white, why can't DTG? Am I right? Father. Fox jump scare. I saw that, Mezzy. Change for a split second. Be a bit concentrated. Well, okay, I'll stop looking at the chat. I hear a lot of jumping. I am not in a VIP server, no. But I will be leaving SCR in a second to play a different game. But it'll be worth it, don't worry, because I have something planned. I have something planned for Train Sim World, which I think you will either enjoy or hate. But we will see. Mwati, hello, that is almost me. $45, wait, it's not 45 just yet. And now it's 45. You have to walk with your dog. No! Well, I guess I'll see you later, not Gary. Thank you for tuning in. What do you mean it's still dead?
Calling out Stepford East and Stepford Central.
Meep.
This train is formed of 5 coaches.
Good luck with the PTSD. Thank you. Oh, you mean like because it's like offline? Wait, does that mean that the subscribed items that I subscribe to won't work, or will they still work?
Stepford Central. The next station is Stepford.
I hope they still work. And dispatch. Hello, Caton. I see you there. Didn't the signal at this station used to be right in the middle here, where Caton is? Ah, you can't download stuff. Well, I don't need to download anything. God. I saw that. SMH. Oh, another one. Meow. Oh, I love it. Too dangerous to be left alive. Too dangerous, too deadly. No, 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 no. East, then Central. Hello, goodbye. There we go.
Welcome on board this
Caton sounds like Mayton. I know, right?
Stepford Central.
Shocking. Coincidence? Maybe.
Is Stepford East.
And up there we go. Going under. Cheers for the tones, driver. No problem, mate. Hello, Dangolf again. Welcome. Glad to see you've returned. You were not made by me. I should hope not. I'd be a little concerned.
Will shortly be around.
I'm not. Look, it's not my fault I'm late. It's the fact that SCR keeps giving me the AWS bug, and that the timings are a little wonk.
And Morganstown.
Worse than a Weaver, Kent, and Surrey. Love it.
Service to Stepford Central. Calling at Stepford Central only.
And we are 5 coaches. I must remember that.
5 coaches.
And boop. Lovely. We'll just stay here, relax. I'll have a little stretch.
Stepford East. This train
Oh my goodness, Mezzy. There we go, thank you.
station is
What do you mean timing?
Stepford Central.
And what do you mean fix my timing? Mezzy. Oh, so why are we going up then? I don't know. Where is the dispatcher? Oh, wait. New Zealand. Why is New Zealand attacking me? Why is a whole country attacking my train? Cope with the signals. Yeah, that sounds not bad, not mad. Oh, Pinker's dispatching. Wait, is that? Archie, you're kind of clipping into my train a little bit. Anyway, there we go. Cope with the AWS signals. Look. I'm trying. I'm trying my hardest.
Welcome on board this Stepford
And
service to.
that I thought that was signal was mine.
The next station is Stepford Central.
Stepford Central. Not strong enough. But great minds think alike. Look at that. Perfect timing. Oh. Look, I'm trying as hard as I can. Oh, I've been DSD'd. I am alive, I promise. I haven't fallen dead at the cab controls. 75. Yellow. 45. Still yellow.
We will shortly be
Get Mezzy! Fuck! Oh! Ooh! Oh, I had a little panic attack for a second. Oh!
find the gap between the
Oh, that...
This train
Oh, that caught me off guard. That definitely woke me up. Oh dear. I feel lightheaded after that. That was such an instant reaction. Just sort of thought, yeah, that's it. 5 years have been just knocked off. Yes, and we have arrived in one piece. Right, grab your pictures now, people.